Hello guys, are you guys ready for a AI employee social media manager? Here it is, this is Soshie, your social media manager. We are on Sintra.ai. Let me first go to the homepage. So Sintra.ai got all kinds of employees for AI that helps you on different tasks. For example, Cassie helps you on customer support, Xiaomi on SEO, and there are many more like this business partner, comment for your e-commerce, personal mentor, and many more. That's about a short overview. We will go into this later on as well. Let's go first over the functions of these are the features of Soshie. See, create social media posts, revamps your social strategy, boosts your social media presence, designs your social profiles, consults you on your brand images, and finds new social media trends. What you get with Soshie are these tools. I will show them in depth in a second. And you're also getting unlimited usage, a customizable brain AI. You have to put all your info about your brand, for example, what you want to do as input at the beginning of buying, when you have bought it. So the brain AI is actually a custom tool, for example. So you have to give it input with details about your brand. For example, I've given it details about my YouTube channel. And if you want specific data or decisions you have to make, you can just ask it in the brain AI and it will help you specific on your questions based on the data it knows about your company. So it can be a great business partner as well for you. But let's go into the program right now. Here we are, this is Soshie, and let's go over the first tool, LinkedIn Nuke. Create engaging LinkedIn posts. So let's say AI revolution, automate tasks, and then select a tone. You can different kinds of tones. You can use professional, casual, friendly, formal, inspirational, or humorous. Let's do this. More settings. You can give it custom instructions as well if you want to, and click on generate. This is the full engaging post if you want to. AI revolution, automate tasks. The only revolution where robots do the heavy lifting. Hey LinkedIn fam, you on here, your friendly neighborhood YouTuber from FindYourSolution. We're tackling app and software okay, this is a hard word for me, I'm sorry. Like a boss. Picture this, it's giving you a full story, an engaging story, and you can also do it on another tone. But what you can also do is make it longer, make it shorter if you want to. You can give it custom instructions as well and copy it right here, and you can also edit it if you want to right here. This is actually the LinkedIn Nuke tool. Let's go back. And you also have a X or Twitter post generator. Write creative post for X. And let's do again the same. AI revolution, automate tasks, and make it a professional post. Also the custom instructions again. Here you are again. It automatically, of course, does the limit of characters you have on X. So is your to-do list growing faster than you can manage? The AI revolution is here to automate tasks and give you back precious time. Embrace smart solutions and make your day more productive. AI revolution, automation, productivity boost. This is actually giving you the exact post you can do. Let's go back. And here's a marketing buddy. Ask marketing related questions and get detailed answers. That's actually a good one. Why is my CTR low? My click-through rate, for example, the thumbnail you clicked on here, and it will address the mistakes because it knows my channel as well, and it also gives solutions. Here's a full list. To address the issue of low click-through rates on your YouTube channel, find your solution. It's crucial to analyze several aspects of your content strategy. So these are all things you can implement on your thumbnails if you want to, and a lot to learn as well for me. I have to go in this later on. But yeah, that's about it for the marketing buddy. It can help you on a lot of questions. If you get, for example, if you run a marketing agency and you put in the question of the client in here, it automatically generates the answer for you and it can help you with replying to your client. Let's go to the next one, social media strategy. Create a calendar to stay consistent with your online presence. Let's say, for example, Sintra AI, of course. And let's say AI employees that save you time for Sintra AI. Here it is, your social media strategy for Sintra AI. Objective: build brand awareness around AI employee solutions, grow the following, your target audience, small to medium-sized business owners, managers looking to optimize operations, tech enthusiasts interested in AI innovation, and professional between 25 and 45 seeking efficiency tools, platforms to use, content types. So this is actually based on the input I've given it about my YouTube channel, probably the posting frequency and the key performance indicators, also very important. Specific post IDs, but also gives you IDs and additional tips if you want to use analytics to track which content type and topics receive the most engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. If for example LinkedIn does very well, you double down on LinkedIn. That's about this tool. Let's go to the TikTok writer, generate for TikTok. Since we do this with every tool right now, let's do it on this one as well. AI employees that save you time. Here it writes a full compelling video script for your TikTok post, a scene, then the employee, and then the AI employee. And that's actually funny. You can also of course make it longer, shorter, make it more funny if you want to right here. You can do whatever you want with the script. That's actually, let's see, need a hand or should I say a bite? Wow, who are you? I'm your new AI, here to save you time. Okay, funny. Yeah, so you can create a TikTok on this if you want to and use for example 11 Labs and Midjourney or something like that, or in video. Let's do YouTube script writer, generate a YouTube script, AI employees that save you time. Let's see what it comes up with. You can of course make it way longer if you want to and also cut the scenes out. You can do that right here with this tool if you want to. But let's see. Here's the scene and hey everyone, welcome back to Find Your Solution. Today we're diving into the future with AI employees and how they can save you time and boost productivity. That's actually a good one, to be fair. First segment, second segment, and then the benefits and the popular tools, how to get started, and the outro, fade out with channel logo and subscribe button. It helps you with writing a script. You can do all kinds of scripts, of course. And here's another tool, your viral trend finder. Find new winning viral trends in a specific industry. Let's say I have used this already once. So let's say technology, software. The other tools I actually used before, with this one as well, but only one time. So let's say trend identification, AI tools, cyber security awareness with increasing cyber threats, content around app security and privacy. It's trending, AR apps, the implementation guides and monitoring and adjustments. So use Google Analytics and YouTube Analytics for tracking engagement. You can do this in any niche you want, and the more settings is again the same. And these are also the same. And let's go to the last tool, Reels scriptwriter for YouTube Reels, I guess. Create a script for your brand's next viral reel. Let's do AI employees. Here it is, the opening hook. Ever thought about having an AI as your co-worker? And then the content development, and then the trending sounds music. It gives you the music and the engagement features and the call to action. This is just a short Reels script for your brand, for your next viral reel, as it is saying, and you can create a lot if you want to. This is actually all the tools of Soshie, your AI social media manager. Let's go over the pricing right now. I got a link down below if you want to join. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it, but you would help me out a lot. If you have any questions, by the way, in the meantime, you can post them below in the comments. Let's go over the pricing right now. We at Soshie, every employee is the same price. And here you see all the features and included. It's now a 50% off with Cyber Monday. If you want to join now, it's $19.50 a month if you pay it monthly and $9.75 a month if you pay it yearly. There's also a plan that you can buy them all together. That is $48.50 a month if you pay monthly, $29.50 a month if you pay every 3 months, and $19.50 per month if you pay yearly. It is actually more beneficial if you want to buy 3, for example, you can buy this package. If you only want to buy 2, I think it's better to buy them individually, depending on which price plan you get. If you pay yearly, that's of course the cheapest. That's about it, guys. If you want, oh wait, I have one thing left to show you. Here are automations. With this AI MP you get automatically social media posts. With this one you get automatically Facebook commenter, and with this one, this summarize your emails daily if you want to. That can come in real handy. Here you get the brain AI. Here's all the info I've given it, and also the output gives me about YouTube, because this is the input I gave it at the start. You can add info manually with a snippet, website or a file to let him know more about your branding, for example. You can connect with integrations for example, the email if you want to automate it and summarize every email. And then you also have here is the Brain AI actually. If you want to type something specific about your brand, or you have any questions, or you just want something to talk to about your business decisions, for example, you can type it in here, or about your personal health or personal growth, you can type it in here, and it will give you info based on the info you have given it, and gives you the best solutions. That is actually it. The link is down below. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments, and I wish you a nice day.